Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. We are seeing HTML, how to write HTML code, and in this video we will be seeing the heading tags in HTML. So we are having 6 heading tags in HTML and those are written with the help of the tag H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5 and H6. So let us see how to write this code. First, as in every HTML document, you have to write HTML code, HTML tag, then head tag. Inside the head tag, there will be a title of a page and we are giving title heading tags. Okay, then don't forget to close the title tag, the head tag. Next, we are opening the body tag. In the body tag itself, we'll write full our code. So whatever is displayed on your website or web page, that all is written inside the body tag. Just remember this one. So first is H1 and heading 1. So what is the use of H1? If suppose you are going through some web page and you see some text is more in font and size than other, so that is heading. Even in newspapers you read headlines. What are those are the highlighted parts and with the bigger font. So H1 heading 1 will be displayed in bigger size. Then a bit smaller than that is H2, that is heading 2, then H3 heading 3, and here don't forget to close the tag. Once you are opening some tag, you have to close the tag, and how to close the tag with the help of backward slash and the name of the tag H4, H5 and H6. So these all headings will be displayed in continuously smaller sizes. Suppose this is size of H1, this will be size of somewhat like this H2, H3 will be like this, then H4, H5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and suppose this will be H6. So this way it will be displayed. Okay, so this was about the header tags. After writing all the header tags, you have to close body tag, then close HTML tag, save the file with the extension .html and open the file in web browser. So you will see these lines: heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, 4 and up to heading 6, and in the title bar you will be seeing the line heading tags. So this was about the header tags in HTML. We will see in upcoming videos much more features of HTML. Okay, till then subscribe the channel. Thank you.